Hello. Yeah. Basically, this is a EK version, 14 EK magnet. I don't know how it came out. All right. This is in worst condition anybody can imagine. Normally, I will say disconnect the battery. It's holiday season. I don't know. Whatever happens, happens. And considering this condition, I don't really care. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay. There is a touch board connector here. There we go. Now the magnet was there. Couple of magnet, one magnet here. Let's have a look at the new screen. This is a compatible screen. Customer is aware that they're getting compatible. Considering the price, this is normal. Okay, so magnet is there, magnet is there, magnet is there. That's good. So we don't need to take these magnets out. But these magnets can be useful for us, so I'll take that out later. Use it as a screw mount. Should be a straightforward job. I've got here a couple of more strips. I can also use this to add a little bit more strength to the screen. Otherwise, they're going to go in the bin anyway. Okay. Now the old one, let's just have a look here. Yeah, so this strip must come off. Plastic bits, pieces, and just make sure these screws are tight. Okay, sweet ass. Okay. Now I recommend connecting the touch cable first because it will already ground the screen. Okay, now, yep, try and get it in the clips. Okay, we're gonna have faith in it that it's gonna work. The first go around. So this will take power from the type C. We got a charging light. We got the HP logo. And touch is working. Still rebooting. Touch is not the best at the moment, so I don't trust it yet. Let's see. Yes. Yeah, now it's good. Wonderful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.